We'll guide you through how to remove channel from vidIQ. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to the vidIQ website to begin the process. Click the login button on the homepage and enter your account email in the email field. Enter your password in the password field and click sign in to access your account. Wait for the dashboard to load completely before continuing. Click your profile icon at the top of the screen and select account settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the connected channels section. Click manage channels to view all channels linked to your vidIQ account and wait for the list to appear on the screen. Locate the linked YouTube channel you want to remove and confirm it is the correct channel by checking the name and details. Click the channel entry to open its options and look for the remove button. Click disconnect to start removing the channel. A confirmation pop-up will appear, so read the confirmation message carefully to understand what will happen. Click confirm to approve the disconnection and wait while the system processes your request. After processing is complete, refresh the page to update the settings. Return to the connected channels section and check the channel list again. Confirm that the channel is removed and no longer displayed in your connected channels. Log out of vidIQ to end your session and close the browser tab. Reopen vidIQ in your browser and log in again using your account credentials. Finally, verify that the channel is no longer connected to your vidIQ account by checking the connected channels list one more time. If the channel still appears, refresh the page again and ensure your internet connection is stable. You can also clear your browser cache or try a different browser to make sure the settings are updated correctly. If you manage multiple channels, repeat these steps for each channel you want to disconnect. Keep your login details secure and avoid sharing your account with others. This process helps you manage linked channels and maintain full control of your vidIQ account. You can reconnect channels anytime later from the same menu if needed. So review your channel list carefully before disconnecting important accounts